So the next logical step is to not use all the circle all the time. So I'm gonna make an arch. So I'm calling it arc and R for radius and degrees. So let's do this one, and I'm gonna put in the R value and the degrees value. Yep. So when I use the arc piece, we need to do exactly the same, almost like the circle, but there's a slight little difference. We're going to say that we only want, an optional degree, and then we are going forward again, and we are going forward with how many steps we want here, and we are going to go right and turn again, and we are going to turn 1 degree. So let's test it out and say I want a degree of 180. So you can see now I only have half a circle. So in a way, what we could do, we could rename this one. If I edit it, we could rename this one to be arch R, because this is going the right way around the clock. And we could make a copy. I'm going to right click and say duplicate. So now I will remove this one and I will call this one left instead. So we are going to turn this one the other way, and I can do that via the relabel function, where I right click and then I can turn it into the other, or in this case the opposite. So if I now said I want a left one and I want it maybe a little bigger, and I might only need 90 degrees. So you see, yay, we can start to create some quite fun, or we could actually try and see it the other way around. Yes, we can start to make some quite fun, what if I said minus 180? Oh yeah, then we go back. So what if I turned, 90 degrees or 45 or something like that? Let's see again. Yep. Yep. There we go. You can see these shapes can become quite interesting actually. What happens if I do this? Yes. So you can see the arcs are actually quite useful for doing weird little stuff, and we'll get more back to those two later. But this is sort of the basic of the arch.